How to change Safari search engine. Did you know you can change the search engine used by Safari on your iPhone? Magnifying glass tilted right. If you don't want to use the default search engine, you can easily switch to Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Ecosia, or another available option. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change it step by step. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to Safari. Now scroll down and tap Apps. Inside Apps, find and tap Safari. Step 3. Open Search Engine. Once you're inside Safari settings, look for the search section. Now tap Search Engine. Step 4. Choose your search engine. Here, you'll see a list of available search engines. You may see options such as Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, and Ecosia. Simply tap the search engine you want to use. For example, if you want to use Google, just tap Google. You're done. That's it. Your selected search engine is now set for Safari. The next time you search something using Safari, it will use the search engine you selected. And that's how you can easily change the search engine in Safari on your iPhone. Magnifying glass tilted right. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Waving hand mobile phone.